Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of 60 Formula. Hope you are doing well today. Now a lot of you probably are familiar with all the Husky channels that are on YouTube, all the goodness that involves the Huskaroni pizzas, if you know what I mean. And one of those awesome channels is called Kiyush the Stunt Dog. And if you guys aren't familiar, well, get familiar, baby. Go on over to that channel and check him out ASAP. But in the meantime, we are gonna see what happens when Hila and Britney Spears react to Kiyush the Stunt Dog. Are you guys ready, Freddy? This morning, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna watch a couple episodes and see what these Huskies think. So come with us, will you, on another episode of that 60 Formula goodness where we find out what our Huskies do when they react to Kiyush the Stunt Dog. Come on, let's go. Now, I don't know if you guys are aware, but this has been a chainmail YouTube video sensation going on between all the Husky owners, all the Husky content creators on the YouTubes. Everyone's like, yo, you know what? I want to react to this YouTuber. I want to react to that YouTuber. Well, baby, we want to join in on the game. Hila and Britney Spears are like, bro, we want to get in the participation. So we are going to do it. Bring it here for you today, my friends. What you doing? You being rotten? You being rotten? Can you speak? Oh, that's a good princess. Can you speak again? That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Bum, 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 bum. Buy a Ford, buy a Ford, buy a Ford truck. Beep, cancel out the advertisements. Don't look at the advertisements. Are you ready? They're like, what's going on? What's about to happen? It's a cutie pie!
Is that you? I just see you with yourself in the moment.
What's that? What's that? What is that? What's that up there? What's that? What's that noise? What's that noise?
He's very curious about Steel's house. Steel gives Key.
You watching Key? You watching Key?
Come steal it.
What's that noise? What's that noise? You changed the video.
What you doing here?
You put it on you?
Is that a big old ball? Looks like a big old
You loser. Is that Key? Is that Steel and Key? Who's that? She does not care at all, not 1%. She's like, I do not care. What do you think? What do you think, boy? What do you think?
That's you.
You hear that?
He's very curious
You hear
about
him?
Steel's house.
You hear him?
Confused.
What's that? What's that?
This seems to be Key's reaction to Steel.
What is that?
Howling. And that's him reacting to his own howling.
Is that like a cow? Well, what can I say? You can't entertain them all.